Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to add a location link into your Canva project. So nothing too complicated here. We are on Canva's home screen and all you want to do is open up a template or a project. I'm going to go into Canva and just search for an invitation to a party or something like that. Okay, so once you've got your project open, you want to add some text like I'm going to do here. And it can really just be anything that draws people to, hey, click here for the location. Okay, so once you have your text, you just want to right click and then say link. You can also press Ctrl K. And then this is where you want to paste your link. So go to Google Maps or wherever you need to go to get your location. I find maps to be the easiest. So let's say it's here in Utenake and we want Specsavers. Don't know why we're having a party at Specsavers, but I'm in. And now all you need to do is paste the link into the section here and you can say done. And you can just say done again. And you'll see there's an underline now, and if you click over there, you'll see there's the location. And we want to share, download, change the format to a PDF, and then say download. Now if we go and open our downloaded folder and we click over there, it'll load up a Google Maps and take us right to our Specsavers party. Nice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and liking the video. I'll see you in the next one.